Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn computer language HTML. To begin your journey, understand that HTML, or hypertext markup language, forms the backbone of every website you visit. You don't need complex software. A simple text editor like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac, alongside any web browser, is all you require. These basic tools are completely free and accessible, allowing you to start coding immediately without any financial investment. Once you have your tools ready, it's time to grasp HTML core structure. Every HTML document is composed of elements defined by tags. Think of tags as containers. For example, a paragraph starts with a p tag and ends with a /p tag. Attributes like href for links add extra details to these elements. A standard HTML file always includes a doc-type declaration, an HTML tag, a head section for metadata, and a body section for visible content. Now, let's get hands-on and create your very first HTML page. Open your chosen text editor and type out the fundamental HTML structure we just discussed. Inside the body, add a main heading using the h1 tag, perhaps saying "My first web page." Below that, include a short paragraph using the p tag. Save this file with an HTML extension like My Page. HTML. Finally, open this file in your web browser to witness your creation come to life. With your first page complete, you're ready to expand your skills. The next logical step is to learn CSS, or cascading style sheets, which allows you to style your HTML, controlling colors, fonts, and layout. After that, delve into JavaScript to add dynamic and interactive elements to your web pages. There are countless free online resources, including documentation and tutorials to guide you. Consistent practice, even just 15 minutes daily, by building small projects, will significantly enhance your proficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.